Shatter the time barrier. With TimeWorks, a dramatic university study confirms TimeWorks can actually give you 3 separate workouts all at once, all in just 4 minutes. 1. A calorie-burning cardio workout. 2. A total body resistance workout. 3. The body limbering flexibility workout of a stretching routine. 3 separate workouts, all at once, all in just 4 minutes. It's like walking on a treadmill while doing resistance training and stretching all at the same time. A routine so effective, you can get a full body workout in just 4 minutes a day. Virtually anyone of any age or fitness level can burn calories and build a strong heart and lungs, tone hips and buttocks, sculpt shapelier, sexier thighs, tone your waistline while shaping firm, lean abs, help firm and tone your back, arms, and chest, and maintain flexibility, all in just 4 minutes a day. And now there are 2 great TimeWorks models to choose from, the TimeWorks Classic and the all-new TimeWorks FX. The Classic provides 6 different levels of precise resistance for a custom workout that's just right for you. Best of all, TimeWorks Classic folds easily for compact storage. Plus, the Classic now comes complete with this deluxe 5-function computer that monitors every aspect of your workout for maximum results. This deluxe $50 upgrade is yours free, and now you can get the same 4-minute workout with TimeWorks FX, the all-new, even more affordable 4-minute fitness machine. A simple twist of the infinitely variable resistance system lets you tailor a workout perfect for any age or fitness level.
TimeWorks originally sold for 26,000 pesos, but now you can get the same TimeWorks 4-minute workout not for 26,000, not for 22,000, not for 18,000, not even 15,000 pesos. Call right now and you can enjoy all the benefits of the TimeWorks 4-minute workout for just 12,995 pesos.
Call now and we'll also include 4 Minutes to Fitness, a video guide to reshaping your body in just 4 minutes a day. You'll also receive the TimeWorks Accelerated Action Plan and Nutritional Guide, a 30-day timetable to achieving results you can see.
Now you can have your very own 4-minute fitness machine, not for 26,000 pesos, not for 22,000, not for 18,000, not even 15,000 pesos. Call right now when you can enjoy all the benefits of 4-minute fitness for just 12,995 pesos.
Call the Innovations channel in Cebu at 344-1000. That's 344-1000. We accept check, credit card and COD. Operators are standing by to take your call from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. 7 days a week. This product is not available in stores, but can be delivered right to your door within 24 hours. This special offer is only available for a limited time, so don't delay. Call 344-1000 right now.